Stretching 69 miles through the heart of Idaho's Teton Valley, the Teton Scenic Byway is one of the most beautiful places to visit in Idaho. This route offers travelers unparalleled views of the majestic Teton Mountain Range, sweeping farmland, charming small towns, and access to outdoor adventures. Known as the quiet side of the Tetons, the byway presents a less traveled, yet equally stunning alternative to Wyoming's Grand Teton National Park. Whether you're a history buff, nature enthusiast, or a road tripper, the Teton Scenic Byway is a must-see destination that showcases the beauty and heritage of eastern Idaho. The Teton Scenic Byway begins in the picturesque town of Swan Valley, where the Snake River winds its way through lush, rolling hills. From there, it follows Idaho Highway 31, crossing the Big Hole Mountains and passing through Caribou-Targhee National Forest. This stretch of road offers a peaceful introduction to the byway's dramatic landscapes. Once the route descends into the charming town of Victor, Idaho, along Highway 31, it transitions into Idaho Highway 33, guiding travelers northward through the heart of the valley. Along this stretch, the towns of Victor, Driggs, and Tetonia welcomes visitors with their quaint atmosphere and rich histories. The final leg of the byway, Idaho Highway 32, takes drivers to Ashton, where the Teton Scenic Byway ends and the Mesa Falls Scenic Byway begins. Throughout the journey, the eastern skyline is dominated by the rugged peaks of the Teton Mountain Range, rising to over 13,700 feet. These awe-inspiring mountains serve as a constant companion, offering photo opportunities at every turn. Nestled in a verdant valley, Swan Valley is renowned for its fly fishing on the Snake River. Drift boats dot the waters as anglers cast for trout in one of the country's most celebrated fishing destinations. Alright guys, we're currently driving to the town of Victor, which is at the lowest portion of the Teton Scenic Byway, all the way to Driggs. And then after Driggs, we're going to head to Mesa Falls. Victor is a gateway to the Teton Valley and home to locally loved spots like the Victor Emporium, where visitors can enjoy famous huckleberry milkshakes. The town also serves as a base for hiking and mountain biking trails in the surrounding mountain regions. If you want authentic Mexican cuisine, check out Guadalajara Mexican food within the heart of downtown. They had the best shredded beef birria tacos I've ever tried. There's our first view of the Teton. Oh, look at that. I'm not sure if that's Grand Teton or not.
One of the top ones.
Alright guys, we're in the small town of Victor, en route to Mesa Falls. We just had a delicious lunch at Guadalajara Mexican restaurant, right here. Guys, we just had probably one of the best Mexican meals of our life here in the town of Victor, Idaho. It's a scenic drive en route to Driggs, and then eventually we're going to connect to Mesa Falls. So this is what it looks like out here. I'm going to film along the way too, so you guys get some views of what it looks like. But eventually we're going to have views of the Grand Tetons, which is going to be amazing. So sit back and enjoy the scenic drive. Alright guys, we are now in the town of Driggs. Population, I believe, is 1,600. Known as the cultural heart of the Teton Valley, Driggs is a charming town filled with history and local flavor. It boasts the oldest ice cream parlor in Idaho and is one of the last remaining outdoor movie theaters in the state. Outdoor enthusiasts can explore nearby trails leading to Table Mountain, which offers one of the most iconic views of the Teton Range. This small, quiet town provides an authentic rural Idaho experience. Surrounded by farmland and set against the backdrop of the Tetons, Tetonia is a peaceful spot to stop and admire the scenery. Ashton marks the end of the Teton Scenic Byway and the beginning of the Mesa Falls Scenic Byway. This town serves as a launch pad for exploring nearby attractions, including the stunning Upper and Lower Mesa Falls. Next time on Gem State Getaways, we explore Mesa Falls, another natural wonder perched along the western side of the Tetons. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.